Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to call people on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open Roblox app on your mobile or on a phone or on a PC. Now you have to in the search bar you have to search for this app, this game called Roblox Connect. Now just click on this Roblox Connect, and this is guys basically the experience where you can call your friend easily. So just click on this play button to play this game. Now once you're in the game, guys, to call a friend or to call people, just click on this call a friend button. And here the recent call list will be open. And just click on this button to get the contacts or the friends you have. Click on it, and here you will have all the contacts, all the friends you have in your Roblox account. Just click on this call I log next to the name to make a call to anyone in the Roblox game. So just click on this call log, and it will start trying to connect a call with your friend. You can disconnect your call by clicking on this red button, as we do in mobile or smartphone.